It is one of the hottest trends at the supermarket, the surge of products from cereals to snacks to pastas with labels boasting they are whole grain to convince you they are a smart and healthy choice. But are they really all that different? Can you trust what's on the label? The Center for Science and the Public Interest has been investigating, and tomorrow they'll go straight to the FDA with these findings. Here's ABC's Elizabeth Leamy.
Multigrain, whole grain, whole wheat. Tomorrow, the Center for Science and the Public Interest will demand that the FDA define those terms because right now they have no legal meaning. That's right. By law, whole wheat bread must be made with 100% whole wheat flour. But any other wheat product could be made with this much white flour and this little wheat and still be labeled whole wheat. Same goes for whole grain. Take this old London Melba toast.
There's actually twice as much white flour as whole wheat flour in this product.
These Eggo waffles say made with whole grain, but contain more white flour than whole wheat. And Jacobson says you can't tell by the beige color either. Consider these Lance crackers.
They had caramel coloring.
Multigrain, also undefined.
The only thing it means is that it has more than one grain. It doesn't mean that any of them are healthful.
Some products brag that they have at least 8 grams of whole grain per serving, but serving sizes vary, so some advocates say that can be misleading.
This is about the amount of in a serving of pasta. So to have 8 grams is just this little tiny amount. It's about 1/7 whole grain.
The FDA has been promising to define whole grain since 1993. But when we contacted the companies, some said they follow the existing FDA guidelines, such as they are. Others said they continue to look for opportunities to add whole grain. So how can you choose wisely? Nutritionists say if the package boasts whole grain, double-check the ingredient list and make sure whole wheat or another whole grain comes first. Because even if you see the term whole grain, you still have to read the whole label. Elizabeth Leamy, ABC News, Washington.